How you do, sir? Tight team. Gotta finish smoking a little bit. My nigga Marwell sent me this beat, you know what I'm saying? He knows me with tight team on that nigga Layla. Alright, shit. Niggas don't think I can freestyle for real. He proof, bitch. I don't write shit, bitch. I am not a hypocrite. I mean every single word that I mean, and I swear to God, I don't write my schemes straight from the dome, straight unscripted. I'm ripped, I'm lifted off some shit and a couple bunk rips that the kid had took it. I'm gifted. Y'all niggas ain't even fucking with the shit that I wrote last year, so ahead of my peers. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I never show none of my fears. Seen a lot of shit in my life, but I shed no tears. Bitch, handle this, aim it right at your deer like Bambi. I'm sipping on a little bit of liquor while taking off your girl's panties, feeling like the sickest nigga you never know. Bitch, I am overflown on y'all niggas. I am flying, I am never ever lying. I'm feeling like I'm in space like the belt of Mr. Orion. Catch me riding in something Honda, never a Scion, cause I don't like the gas pedal. Bitch, I am so heavy metal. I am not a clown like Twisted Metal. Check out my Twisted Battle. If y'all wanna battle, I'll still be here when dust is settled. I don't give a fuck at all, bitch. All I do is ball, bitch. '06 rookie yard, Chris Paul, bitch. Throw in the towel when I walk by, watch your bitch head turn like an owl. I'm a mad wolf, watch me howl at the moon. Y'all looking at your doom. I've been getting pussy since the day I came out the womb. Ask your bitch, I'm pretty sure that she want a spoon. Brought a couple friends, that's a fork. Goddamn bitch, I eat chicken, no pork. And kill young niggas easy with rhymes for sport. Watch me pop off like a bottle with a cork. Y'all niggas ain't nothing, this is dope, here's a quart. I serve it in liquid form so y'all can absorb every word I spit, cause I'm feeling like I'm sicker than any of these hypocrites who say they lyrical. My intellect shows y'all niggas y'all can't collect, y'all better respect, cause I'm feeling like I'm so in check with y'all niggas. I don't give a fuck at all, cause I'm so motherfucking different. My mission is to follow my intuitions and inhibitions and get this money as my only mission. Pause. I don't give a fuck at all, bitch. I can smoke a lot of weed. I don't give a fuck at all, bitch. I said it before and I'll say it again. And PRESENC. That's present like a gift. Shit. And that wasn't writ. Promise. Baby, we so major. Get your money right if there ain't any in the wager. Too much hard on the glory road, Willie Cage. Spit that crack, no losing Isaiah. On my Khalifa shit, I'm steady rolling papers. On my meat shit, middle finger to the haters. Niggas say they love their haters. Like, wait, why would you love your haters? I just serve my haters with dope shit like I'm a fucking waiter. If I was their waiter, I would spit all in their food, cause I am rude. Fuck Decatur, fuck y'all niggas. I am smoking weed that is straight from Decatur, Georgia grown. I got a bad bitch, fat ass, give Georgia dome. Whoa. Easy. Bye bye.